another 48 years. Baka mansion yung kwarto ko at hindi pa sila makaka-check out. Okay. Uy, salamat ha. Buti na lang. Alam mo, it's worth the wait yung 5 minutes ko kasi nahanap nila yung tablet ko. So, thank you. It's actually a prank. So, thank you. Overcharged. So, they really wanted to check. Thank you.
Dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say.
Naka-check-in ako dito. Ayan, ma'am. Sa ID. It should be. Oras na. It's 1 p.m. here in the afternoon, so I'm still waiting for them to check me in. They're still checking if the room is available. Hopefully it's available. It's 1 p.m. Opo.
And then, pakilock na lang po ng form.
Okay.
Sa lahat po ng may highlight, indicate po dito yung name and age ng companions nila sa room. Plate number, sir, if may dala po kayong sasakyan. Then, signature naman, sir.
Alright, thanks.
2 key cards upon checkout. These are your breakfast coupons for 2 days. Good for 2 on each day. Breakfast po for tomorrow will be served at the 6th floor, 7 o'clock to 10 a.m. Just present your breakfast coupons. This is password for the Wi-Fi and all of our rooms po are non-smoking. Enjoy your stay, sir.
Second, top floor ng request ko, yun ba yun? Ay, room ko ba, ano ba yun?
Sa second floor po, sir.
Single, anong room nga yan? Queen?
Supreme, sir.
Supreme.
Yes po, twin bed, sir.
Queen bed ba?
Yes po. Requested. Sir, wala na kasi kaming available sa higher floor, sir. Occupied na po kasi lahat, sir.
Kawawa naman ako. Naubusan.
Sa second floor, sir. Maganda
Kahit ni-request ko. Maganda view.
Supreme room, sir. Bale, 2 rooms lang po kasi on each floor, sir.
Talaga ba?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Okay, thanks. Thank you. Hello mga ka-fab! Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another exciting vlog hotel staycation review guide vlog. I'm excited to show you and to tour you around here at Orchard Hotel, Baguio City. So keep on watching. Hello mga ka-fab! Are you ready for the room tour? Let's do this!
Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Let's go to SM Baguio City, and I'm just gonna accomplish some errands there and visit some clients. I love the wallflower designs.
Home run like a baseball bat, gonna see me rise. You can hate on that, I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap.
And this is my hotel at night, the Orchard Hotel. You'll never get lost kasi yung kaharap niyan is Holiday Inn. Right. But don't you worry, ang ganda tong Orchard Hotel na to.
To move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
So, second floor lang ako. And what's nice here is this is my room, and this is the main entrance of the hotel, and that's the lobby. Very convenient. And I love this. Ang ganda nito, oh. Mga trees of I love the aesthetic design. Very beautiful.
The following day,
Prices of school supplies have to be reasonable and fit their budget. You said, what are the penalties for those selling beyond the suggested retail price?
Suggest the media prices because what the price we only issue price guide, and this price guide is totally for consumers.
Seen it, a life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart.
Ang breakfast?
Sa 6th floor po, sir.
Ah, 6th floor? Okay. So it's not on the ground floor, it's on the 6th floor.
I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong.
Morning. Hey na.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Ilang padami ang naging international
Bye room! Morning! Checking out!
Po, checking out na po, sir.
Yes po.
May tao pa po sa room, sir. Sige, sir, 5 minutes room check lang po muna.
So, it takes 5 minutes to check out here. So, ayan. Wait muna.
Like I've seen it, a life worth living.
Hello mga ka-fab! Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this vlog episode hotel staycation only here at the Orchard Hotel in Baguio. Until next time, don't forget not just to embrace life beautifully but fabulously. Take care. Have a great time mga ka-fab. Bye!
What I want,